This is the video guide about getting rid of the online scam related to the site Protectorshield.info. Protectorshield.info is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it affects other browsers too. Basically, it tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Be extremely careful and don't interact with these pop-ups. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once the software gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and then effectively eliminate all other types of threats which still could possibly stealthily remain on your device. So use Combo Cleaner to get your computer, to get your system fully fixed and eventually repaired from all types of other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.